Ambianic Edge is built with standard commodity hardware. Please follow the web link for assembly instructions when you are done burning the SD card in the following slides. First task is to flash the Ambianic Edge installation software to the SD card. Please click on the web link and install Balena Etcher software. The Etcher software will allow you to install the Ambianic Edge installation software to the SD card. You will use the above URL in the next step to locate Ambianic Edge installation software. The URL will be used by Etcher to burn the Ambianic Edge installation software on the SD card. Choose the Flash from URL option. Copy the URL from the previous slide and click OK. Choose the SD card to install Ambianic Edge software. Showing the progress. Please assemble the Ambianic Edge following the directions on the web link. Please obtain the name of the Wi-Fi network name and the password for the Wi-Fi network the Ambianic Edge will join. Plug in the Ambianic Edge and wait 3 minutes. The Ambianic Edge on the first boot and/or start does a few housekeeping functions. The last function the Ambianic Edge does is enable you to put the local Wi-Fi name and password for the Ambianic Edge to use. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone like you are going to join a new Wi-Fi network. Pick Ambianic Edge Wi-Fi Setup. Join the Ambianic Edge Wi-Fi setup and tap Connect. Use the pull-down arrow in the SSID box to choose the Wi-Fi network that the Ambianic Edge is to be installed on. Enter the passphrase and/or password for the Wi-Fi network you entered in the SSID box. After connecting with the local Wi-Fi, Ambianic Edge will now retrieve the latest Ambianic Edge software. This action should take between 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the speed of the Wi-Fi. Next step is pairing your phone or computer to the Ambianic Edge and the Ambianic UI/UX PWA application. Now it is time to install the Ambianic Edge browser client. The Ambianic Edge browser client is how you communicate with the Ambianic Edge. Open a new tab in your browser. In the new tab, use the URL https:// Click on the Continue Setup. Tap on Install App. You will now have an Ambianic UP application icon on your phone or computer. The Ambianic UI app has been installed. Please click Continue. Ambianic Edge device setup. Please tap Continue. Please tap Local Device. Tap My Own. If you are not using a certified Ambianic Edge, please read the DIY, do-it-yourself, documentation. If not, tap Continue. The Ambianic UI application will now find the Ambianic Edge device on the local Wi-Fi network. When you see this screen, the Ambianic Edge device has registered with the Ambianic UI application. Tap Continue. The Ambianic Edge Peer ID is unique. Nobody can access or view the information on the Ambianic Edge without the unique Peer ID. If you want anybody else to access the Ambianic Edge, get their email address or number so you can email or SMS the unique Edge Peer ID to them. Tap Complete Installation. Find the Ambianic UI app on your phone. Tap to open. Ambianic UI app starting up. Connecting with the Ambianic Edge device. Viewing the timeline. Swipe down for the latest timeline event. Swipe up for the past timeline events.